In this video, I'm going to share with you how it's possible to make $1,000 for 2 hours of work. And this is based on my own personal experience. Let me show you how. So before you say that you know accountants and attorneys not making $1,000 for 2 hours of work, trust me, I get it. I'm an accountant and I don't know many myself either. But what I do know is that we live in a digital day and age where people are making these sums of money and a lot more by tapping into the digital economy. And before you think that is this just another affiliate marketing video, no, it's not. I'm going to share with you exactly what I did in the first quarter of 2023 to get this sort of result. And no, I'm not against affiliate marketing. I do believe if it's done right and you promote products that can truly solve people's problems, it could be a win-win situation for both parties. But let's get back to the video. So in 2023, I was creating lots of short-form videos on my phone and posting to different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on, with the hope to actually drive traffic to particular affiliate offers that I was promoting. So I did that and I made regular commissions. But I started to get questions from people with regards to how do you create your videos? How do you do those transitions? How do you do your research? And for a moment, I thought if this accountant could figure it out, surely others knew how to do it, but that wasn't exactly the case. And so what I decided to do was I spent one afternoon for a couple of minutes just writing down, actually used the mind map software, but I documented my process from start to finish. And in turn, I could then see that there was a logical approach that I followed that I thought people needed to know about. I then spent a little bit of time recording the videos on my computer and on my phone and showing people this is the process that I followed in order to get from point A to point B. They had pain points. They didn't know how to create the videos. And at the end of going through my particular workflow, they could create videos. They didn't know how to do research. Once they went through my videos, they knew how to do research. So I documented this full process. And so I took the content and I uploaded it to a platform which hosted my videos and my course. And the great part about creating a course like this is you don't have to edit the content like you would for a YouTube video. People are interested in transformation and they're not really interested in what's in your background or is your lighting great. They're more interested in can they hear what you are saying, because I know people that just do slides because they don't want to be on camera, but they're adding value to people, and as a result of that, people are willing to pay them. The platform that I uploaded my course to is called System, and the great part about System is they've got a forever free plan, and I was on the free plan at that point in time, so I uploaded my course onto this free plan. I then sold it, and I made money that way. So what I need to point out at this point in time, yes, I created the course and documented my workflow, but I needed to get traffic to my offer, right? And so what I did was I did two things. The first thing was I posted on social media myself, on Facebook and on platforms like YouTube, just like I am now. But in addition to that, I found a friend of mine who's a digital marketer and asked him to create a 2-minute video just talking about it, and I gave him an affiliate link. So he was telling people about my product, which in turn he needed to be rewarded because he helped me get sales. So people bought through his link and through my own native link, and as a result of that, I made $1,000 for 2 hours of work. So guys, that's the process that I followed to create $1,000 for 2 hours of work, and I honestly believe that I can rinse and repeat it, and you can too. If you've got a particular skill set, if you've got a particular workflow which you do that others have asked you about, you can get them from A to B, document it down, write it down, or use a mind map software just to document your workflow. And in turn, you can create a course like this and then sell it. You don't have to be on camera. Like I said, you can do slides if you don't want to be on camera, but if you are on camera, even better. But again, remember, you don't have to edit the videos. You just have to record it and then you can upload it onto these different platforms. For more videos like this, don't forget to follow below.